Hi there, so today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to reinstall the operating system that shipped with this model of this laptop. It's Acer Aspire 5732Z. Basically, this is one of the first Windows 7 PCs that came right after the Windows 7 has been launched. Now, I have done this shenanigans thing with restoration of factory image, but today I got something. So I said that I done it, but using this image, which is a different model of this Acer Aspire laptop, has the same chassis and same pieces as this laptop. So basically it's kinda identical from that one to that one. That laptop uses AMD processors. I think it came with low-end AMD processors in them, and this one it came with Intel processors. So basically it's slightly better machine in its time when was new, but today not so much. I'm going to show you something different, alright? So this laptop came with this processor. So this is a Intel Core T4400, basically the original processor that came with this laptop. But I'm going to show you something different. You see this? That's Intel Core Studio T9500. That's running at 2.6 gigahertz. Yeah. So basically I upgraded the processor from a T4400 to that faster one. I know it's not much, but it's a big improvement. Now I can run virtual machines and stuff and whatever. And and it's still worth it. Now obviously the processor it's a bit rare, but I got it cheap, very cheaply, locally. So you know what? Screw it! I'm going to buy that processor and fit it on this laptop. Now I tried to upgrade the processor to a T9400, but that one has a FSB of 1066 megahertz frontside bus. But this processor it has 800 megahertz frontside bus, and because the chipset supports only 800 megahertz FSB bus speed, the T9400 straight up doesn't work on this laptop. So yeah, so basically we are going to use this image. With some modifications we can make it work, but I found this one, an image for this exact model. So Acer Aspire 5732Z, Acer Aspire 5732Z, but it's in Polish. Windows 7 Home Premium RTM 64. So we are gonna try that one in this laptop. Yeah, we are gonna try it. We can do. So let's download that image. Alright, so as you can see, the image has been downloaded, and now let's install it. So actually let's check up. Oh, there we go. Acer Aspire, whatever. I got to test this. And let's see. Let's try DVD1. Power on. Alright, it says please select the language in which to view the instructions. Maybe. Yes. Completely restore. Yes. Partition size. Well, maybe I should do something else. Well, let's boot up to my utility. to, you know, format the partition. Maybe I should get a screen recording. Alright, so I got the screen recording initiated. Now I'm going to format the partition. So I'm going to use something called Mini Tool Partition Wizard to, you know, format the partition like I said. Let's delete all partitions. Yes, apply please. That's one of the disadvantage of the software, but oh well. Yes, and then you know, I exit from my utility, and then I'm going to burr up to the recovery CD to test out. Usually that should not work on the VMware, I mean other machines, but for some reason the guys from the Acer, they allow it to install on any computers for some reason. That's strange, but if it works, it works. Now obviously I'm going to choose English like usual. Yes, of course, completely restore. Next, and then come on. Hold up. Yes, there you go, it shows correctly, because the software showed earlier 0.1 gigs partition size. The software does not format the entire disk, like, you know, clean the partitions from that target disk and then, you know, reimage everything. And after I cleaned the partition, now it shows us correctly 40 gigs. And let's see. Alright, so now it says to insert the recovery disk too. So we are gonna to do that. Settings, let's see, browse DVD 2 and OK, and OK. Alright, so the restore has been finished, so let's you know, press the OK button. Let's go! And let's see if it boots. If it boots, then I will be happy. For some reason it changed to Windows Vista loading screen. I know that is possible to use Windows Vista screen, you know, loader on Windows 7, but oh well. Maybe for using oh yeah, it's in Polish, so it's possible to use Vista boot screen on display screens that does not support 1024 by 768. But yeah, I think it's installing the drivers. Alright, so now we have the Windows 7 custom installation. Now it's in Polish, which is I don't want it, but oh well, I accept it regardless. Romania, obviously, because I am in Romanian country. So yeah, and I think it doesn't have English, but let's try something, you know, let's try something, okay? Let's try to change the thing called language pack, which was possible. But yeah, let's try. I put it in audit mode. Let's do something. Oh my god, okay, so let's cancel that. Right, do not care. OOB, shut up. Alright, so now let's end that. Alright, so let's check up something. Properties. If Acer something, don't care, I really don't care about it. So I care if it's 64-bit. So it looks like it is. Now let's try something. I'm going to put the or the Romanian language or the French. Let's see what I have. So looks like I have the Romanian language. So what I'm going to do is to copy this visualizer and this Romanian language. Oops, do check up, no thank you. So it is in Polish language. Alright, so let's add something. Now before that, let's change to English. So let's add something that should work. Install. Now it installs the Romanian package. Now it should work. Alright, so now it says to make the language as a new display language. Sure, yes. No Windows update necessary to be installed. Okay. Yes. Because why not? It does? Okay, it does. Alright. Let's see. It's installing the close. And let's check up some apps. Oh, it's in Romanian. I like it. Now let's see. Oh well. Okay, shut up. Alright, so let's check up other things. Okay, games. Yeah. Alright, so it seems to be in English, which is expected. Now let's close this generation or whatever, the preparation of the system from audit mode to normal mode. And it seems to be loading with the screen, which is confusing, but whatever. Alright, now let's see if it works with the Romanian language, which it does. apparently. Whatever. Okay. Next. Bucharest. Let's see. You know what? I love this Acer background. So yeah, welcome. All right. Preparing the desktop. Alright, so as can see, now it's restored the copy. Now let's explore a little bit. Activation in progress. Oh my god. Well, let's check up the. Oh yeah, the Microsoft Works is in Polish language, which yeah, whatever. So as can see, it worked. No problems. Acer VMware virtual platform, but it's alright. Yeah, it's working. So now let's do the restore thing. And it still recognizes the first ISO that is burned into the first disk. So we're gonna to, reboot the laptop at this point. What's up with this broken English? But oh well. So let's boot to the disk. I mean to the bootable one. And it's loading. Please wait a moment, obviously. So that should work. Alright, let's continue. Yes, obviously. Completely restore. Yes, next 0. Are you sure about it? Well, let's go. Oh well, there's nothing I can lose. Alright, well, let's boot up to my utility and erase the disk and eject the disk. Well, I should plug the Ethernet cable. Alright, so I plugged the Ethernet cable into my network. And let's boot from the network. Yeah, it's working. Oh yeah, here. Yeah, it's working here. And let's boot up. Oh my god, that BIOS, it's weird. Yeah, I will unplug the network cable. We don't need it.
Oh no.
That's funny. Oh well. Alright, continue. Yes. Go. Completely restore. Yes. I see hard disk activity. That should work. That's correct. Yes. Alright, so it says to insert the disk number 2, so we're gonna to insert that. Alright, now you should detect. Let's go. Yay! It's working! Alright, so it does continue the installation. So... over! Well, I think I will burn the first DVD to the last ISO image to finish up. Alright, so in time. Now it says to insert the recovery disk 3, which yeah, I have the disk right there. Let's swap the disks if it wants to go in the disk optical drive, and press OK. Restore finished. Please press OK to restart this computer. Okay, press. Press. Go. There it goes. And it's booting. Oh my god, the same problem. Installation updates settings in the registry. Installing drivers, and that should be quicker. Ooh, there it goes. Now we have the full installation. Well, let's set the things. Well, well, I was thinking about that method that I showed you, but I don't think I wanted to do that. So instead I will continue using, setting up as is. So accept the license agreement that nobody reads. Sure, why not? Even doesn't work. Office network, because why not? And now we have the first initial setup, I guess. Well, let's skip that. Oh my god. No thank you. Hello. Oh, there it goes. Maybe I should use the mouse. Alright. What the heck? What about this? Oh, there goes the Acer theme or wallpaper. Nostalgic, huh? Oh, for God! Now, obviously, let's prepare. Alright, let's copy some files. And Romanian language. And there it goes. Now let's go to install the language pack, whatever. That's the Romanian language, like you saw. Yes. And maybe we should see something. Yes, the correct number, which is interesting. And we have the integrated graphics installed and everything. It's all right. And let's see. No problem. All right. That should install the driver. And oh my God, it is in Romanian language. Oh, all right. Not much change, but who cares? Oh yeah, I need to remove the problematic program, but yeah, that's really about it, to be honest. Now obviously let's check up something. Manage something disk. Let's see the disk situation. Yeah, doesn't have the separate partitions where it contains hard disk, I mean the boot partition and the operating system and the recovery. No, it doesn't have, but who cares? If it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, we got the problem. And let's see. Okay, whatever. Alright, so let's try something else. Let's uninstall the McAfee security shit show. The thing that needs to be take care of it is to uninstall the crap that it's called McAfee. Yeah, well, that's really about this experimentation that is called restoring the original operating system on a Acer Aspire 5732Z. After waiting like 14 years for a original OEM restore CD thing, yeah, That's really odd. But oh well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.